How many carrots can I get
Okay,
before it
need
starts?
tayo na.
Ah.
I'm gonna tell him
Let's
shut up
go,
before I
go.
fucking kiss
Oh, I
him.
got Anna with the Masquerade minimalist flashlight.
Oh, let's go.
All right. Oh, I see
Go.
Yumi and John Luke just amalgamated.
Let's go, dirty boy.
The creature is near. Thank you.
Oh yeah, we teched him. Detected, yeah. Oh wow, the minimalist flashlight actually looks like an LED.
Follow me. Thank you.
Time to find some experience.
Dude, this is such a troll fest.
Over here.
Do we have 6 people? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How come he's not using his own face? Oh
6.
god.
Okay, so it just doesn't show in tab then.
I think there's something wrong with the bear creature because he's not using his own face.
It's because the closest person had a shorter range than the person behind him. So it was canceling out the unfaze.
ZP.
Okay, I'm stabbing, I swear to god.
Bro, stop that. We really have to like all out our tests.
Ooh, medkit.
So is ZP. So now anyway.
Sorry.
Over here.
Jeff is always fucking
Sorry, I'm lost.
ZP.
Hello.
We need P now.
Hello.
Oh, goodness.
Over here.
Z, I found A. Oh god.
Denali. Wait, it doesn't even show their username. It just says Denali. Oh wait, it's still pressed.
Over here.
ZP? Why is it doing that? Okay, well A's over here, but where's P?
Interesting problem. Found A.
Over here. Over
Yeah.
here.
How far?
Over here.
Where's P right now? Oh, I can't see it.
Will survive.
Time to find some experience.
Oh shit, I just accidentally clicked. I almost fucked it up. Denali comment. Oh, they must be at another chest. I feel like the max endurance should also like increase based on how many players there are.
Follow
15
me.
is too little.
Follow me. Follow. Hey. Follow me. Follow me.
Hey. Hey.
Oh, Donna's about to get grabbed. Oh wait, no. They're behind us. Alright.
Follow me.
Cancel that thing.
I'm behind you. Hey.
Okay, let's not move.
Over here.
Can we not move? We're literally making him fucking stronger by doing that.
Sorry.
Sorry. The
Alright, we
creature is
gotta
near.
lock in before we lose with 6 people.
Thank you.
I literally just saw that.
Oh shit, another person just joined our lobby. They're probably thinking like, huh? Oh, Unfaze here?
ZP.
ZP, don't say Z incorrectly or you might get the wrong word.
Yeah.
Oh, did he? Yeah, he has infinite cooldown.
Yeah,
If you don't have someone with a longer range behind you, he will proc it. Like, you cannot avoid it. He will always perfectly time it. There is no escape. Only suffering. P3. Okay. Don't worry, I'll loop him on this car. Oh, I just heard another perfect time. Hey! Somebody's having fun. You're getting the Darcy experience on subject. You literally cannot.
Here!
Unless you have another person with you, he essentially has infinite LR. What was it again? 3P or P3? I don't remember. Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah. You need H. H is our last combination.
Bro, I hear you. You're near me. Did you take off proxy chat, or do you still have it?
Who?
You.
I think I have it on.
So, do you hear me just text you? Wait, do you need H?
Yeah, I need H.
How about this? I'm helping you with your chest while I'm doing my chest over here. Oh shit, all the buttons are just right here. Okay. I think it's the button next to the chest. And then... Oh, am I gonna get grabbed? No, I'm good.
We're at the Chicago area?
Oh wait, I hope you have the sigil spawns fixed, because otherwise it's gonna be 2.
No, it's not fixed, it's 2.
Yikes. Are you good? If you come over here, this chest is finished. Do you have anybody near you?
What are
You're
you
gonna
doing over
have
there?
you're gonna have to pray to God that I can make this as Anna.
No, you're not gonna make it. Oh, you didn't make it.
Oh, he teleported because I was in range of a flashlight. No, follow me, follow me. Oh, are you gonna get that chest frozen?
I already did it.
Watched it. No, the other one that I opened.
At the Chicago building?
Yeah, the one that I just passed.
Yeah, I already did that, yeah.
Okay. Crazy thing is that we can still counter his like stupid cooldown.
Oh, boo! Exploding, boo! there's a chest in this.
Oh my god, the cooldowns are so slow as Survivor. I'm on half close to cooldown and I placed it 5 centuries ago. Oh Jin, are you okay? P-A-H.
Right here.
Over here!
I got this. We almost procced it, but I was there.
Should be in this area.
Oh no! He's gonna unface.
You guys wanna like... Oh, well, we can abuse this.
Oh, Jesus Christ. I wasn't ready for him to be that close.
Alright, easy.
Oh, he's gonna be right next to us. Donut! Why isn't he perfect timing anymore?
I got this. Over here!
Oh shit. It's not funny no more. Oh, he's over there.
Hello?
Oh, I don't think it's funny no more.
I got you.
Over here.
I wonder if it said like a live investigator 6 out of 4. No! You left.
One more. Wait, what? Who left?
Dirty boy.
Why did you?
You caught? What the fuck you was about to talk to and shit.
Over here! Over here!
Oh Jesus.
Over here.
Oh, I should have just kept running. I ain't outrunning that shit.
F.A.
Oh, they're cooked.
Hold on.
Am I about to get jumped? I swear to God, if I get jumped, I'm gonna cry.
Over here!
Alright guys, so it's so far.
Dude, that's so fucking far. Holy shit.
Over here!
I'm gonna die, I need help.
You go ahead.
Dude, me and Vapor just saved you guys' ass, bro.
I can't help because if I try to help, I'm gonna get grabbed. I'm too slow to do anything. Oh, I'm about to get jumped. I'm about to get jumped. Oh, he didn't aggro me. Okay, I'm going for sigils.
I got stuck.
Oh, I'm gonna get jumped again. I need to go back.
Over here!
Oh, never mind. I'm chill.
Hey! Hey! Hello!
Hey! I think we're safe.
Advance already. Yeah, we need to find these zeros.
Cover me!
Okay.
Cover me! I can't hear!
Over here. Over here.
Thank you.
Sorry. I thought the creature. I see a creature. Sorry. I'm lost. I'm lost.